Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to assign multiple tickets to a new agent on Freshdesk using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Freshdesk, and some tickets that we have created, as well as an agent. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, let's now go to Freshdesk, where Freshworks, and click on this, freshworks.com. Let's now go to the account, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to tickets, and then click on a couple of tickets that we want to assign an agent to. Let's now go to this top navigation menu where we have assign, close, bulk update, merge, spam, delete. Click on assign, and this will allow us to select the agent whom we wish to assign those tickets to. Let's click on myself. And on top it says assigning 2 tickets to Rayhan Abdullah. This might take a while, and there we have it. Those 2 tickets that were selected and then bulk updated via a new agent, that has been completed on screen. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.